Welcome back to Nomadic Wandering Star. And this little episode, we're into Winslow, Arizona, the US 66 highway. Well, many of you might remember it. I remember when I was a kid, my mom and dad moved us all back from California to Michigan. The only route back was Route 66. And that was really cool run. So here we are at the Route 66 and lots of signs, lots of other memorabilia, and there's that flatbed Ford. I don't know, pretty good looking old truck, to tell you the truth. But here's a picture of me and the wife standing next to one of the Eagles, standing on the corner. A little bit in the background there. Yeah, I was going to try and play the guitar, but somebody stole all the strings off the damn thing. Shit, you know. There's another Eagle. Hey, buddy. He's standing on the corner. Somebody's dog. There's that girl on the flatbed Ford. Good Lord. But it was definitely well worth the trip down there to see this stuff. So if you get a chance, get through Winslow, Arizona, pop on down and give it a look-see.